Hello everybody, I'm Scott LaFleur and welcome to my newest listing. Today I want to share with you the 3 favorite things I love about this home. Come on in and check it out. First off, the location is unbeatable here in Paseo del Sol. Tucked away in a quiet neighborhood, this home offers the perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. It has easy access to schools, parks, shopping, and it has everything you need that's just a stone throw away. Secondly, the low property taxes here are a huge plus. Central Temecula offers some of the lowest property taxes in the city, making it a great place to invest in your dream home without breaking the bank. Last but not least, this backyard is great for entertaining. The covered patio and outdoor kitchen make it an ideal spot for hosting summer barbecues or just enjoying an evening with the family. So there you have it. Those are the 3 things I love about your new home. I'd like to hear what you like about the home. Give me a call for a private showing.